Good morning. Today's the Heroes tribute. Chit you money. Morning breakfast. You get smaller and smaller every time. That's it. Unless you want an omelet. Terry's gonna lay out by the pool for a little bit. It's kind of cool out there this morning. She's all wrapped up in a towel to lay in the sun. Beats me. But anyway, so I'm gonna go down to the donation spot and see what I can get done out and down there. I didn't go in there the last 2 nights because I donated so much on the first night. Anyway, so wish me luck. I'll let you know how it turns out. A pretty big elephant. Takes up half the bed. Terry's first appetizer, the Asian salad. That's off the new menu. And I got a minestrone soup. Second appetizer, Benny. Second appetizer,
fried green tomatoes.
Fried green tomatoes. Terry got the enchiladas. I got the jerk pork chop, that is. Got the fruit plate for dessert.
We hope that you have enjoyed this and it's working a little bit. Let's click on.
going, love?
We're not going. We're already here. We're at the comedy show, and they're even scanning people in to make sure you're over 18.
Must be really nasty tonight. Might get my little feelings hurt.
Ooh, get offended.
Yeah, I doubt it. All right, so we're coming to the end of another one, man. Day 4 of 4 coming to an end.
I'm very tired, but we did just get out of a comedy show and they were very funny. But now we're gonna have a chocolate martini because it's so good. And then we gotta go home. And it's already late.
Yep, and the ship's all over the place. It's rough tonight. That's why there's hardly anybody out. But anyway, next week, we're going to try the Margaritaville at Sea. We'll definitely bring you that and bring you an honest review. We've heard a lot of different things about it, so got to try it for yourself.
I know.
We'll see you.
Night.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
So we got our martini. It's so good.
Why do we drink them?
Good.
Because they're good. Bye-bye. Again.